Hey, I'm Miguel with Marine Parts Source. I'm here today to show you the Dometic Trim Tab system. It's an all-electric system. It comes with a new rotary dial to control it. That dial also has LED indicators on it that let you know exactly where those trim tabs are. That dial's the real big difference maker here. It just makes it really intuitive and easy to control. So this is a little mock-up we made of the Dometic Trim Tab system. It obviously is a little crude, but it gives the effect and the visual that you want to see so that you can see exactly what's going on with it. It's actually done with Lenco trim tabs, so the tab pieces are interchangeable between both the Seastar and the Lenco and the Bennett trim tabs. The control, like I say, we just wired it up from the back, have all kind of wiring back there, but all electrical actuators, all stainless steel blades here, which Seastar does offer as well, and the intuitive control, like I say, that makes the huge difference with the multifunction all up, all down favorites, or the home button, as well as the dial that will rotate back and forth. As with all trim tabs, the Dometic Trim Tab system will increase fuel efficiency, improve comfort by adjusting the angle of the boat, increase safety by providing a better ride in bad seas, and increases visibility by adjusting the bow down. So that's it for our Dometic Trim Tab video. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Feel free to contact us at any of the links below. You can also reach us at our toll-free number listed below. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.